ni kirundekerene nego kurentera chibiche chinkia na boigo chinkenu net Kisumu Migori ni Chisemo chinde chinyinge nigo kotonyora aside kode ya Star Times channel 195 Go TV channel 824 na free to air decoders digital TV na smart TVs Scania TV yao na boigo onchore ilio yao igo ikoye nyore Ndizi TV nigo turine kiringa ikigo kurentera emerubuli emerunge chinka kichonsi Ndizi TV obwensu vuomo Gusii.
Chinsa ni Isato na indo mwanchi umurigere ribonekero ngwege na nogendrete kwegokia asoko bwati emeroberi yonsi ya Ndizi TV na bwo obwansu bwo mugusingo kwarigania SMS Amayia ngumanyia yingwariganiretie asenchera ere yobwikiranu nyora nsemo ya Facebook na bakogendera gotonyara wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News aso mtandao Twitter na bako twitwetera @Ndizi TV News ero togendere gusanga na boigo kwemanyia amankiritariane Everline Osero tokubwatirana ne Radio Auta kwene kya wekera sensemo yebimanyiriro sangana intwe komweryo Ngokwarga ntuya chaka senchira ya bene korwase county ya Kisii ya waserit kolia lero aba wakiri korwase urusagia rwa South Nyanza aba wesokerit kolia lero na okora okorobekana sentunda yende ase omuchio Kisii ase keria baganitie okorwa bisi komo bisomonene wendemero Chinsa yenda nigo batere na ayenda nigo abeirega kubwatkana na mamocho yo gutmekyo bubebu ya bisi ayege ntoba muganire korwa bisi eriyo korwa chinga kinyororo asobo koreri goikiraniwa ASNSM yumurike to Mildred Momanyi na mangi
nokorobekana okukwene kigwa imiyo mucho busongo amona bawakili kurwa urusagia rwa South Nyanza asentunde yende ya kabere imeye county ya Kisii ase kirenga kiabo ekene okomorusia Land Registrar we county ya Kisii Chinsa yenda ase bakwanira igoro ya mamocho alia akogera bamorusia bisi kolengana na barwo
Land Registrar oyaba advocate twa kolira maandamano rero lyabe lya kabere Land Registrar etokobori buna arusi guga asarenge korwa igakorete obokoreri butaisa negeti abantu banyandarwa ekerare tubosongo okire na machiko nechinchira ekizitaisa negeti aba advocate na abanyana bamiliki bamareko agendenka aruga usitariye dumping site yaba officer bari batabwa ati obokoreria bogoisana ebirero byeto nebimo ayenda aruase Land Registry abosongo obokoreri bore bobobuya.
We have severally tried to engage him. Officially we have done letters through our chairperson LSK. He had declined the meeting. He himself scheduled a meeting but he did not attend. He did not honor his own meeting that he scheduled, claimed that he was in another meeting and he could not make it. So he has even gone further to insult the advocates of the Southwest branch that we are fraudsters, and therefore people, why we are here is because citizens trust us with their briefs. Those briefs are not ours. When they trust us with our expertise, they expect that we do due diligence and give them the services that they deserve.
He needs to be reminded that the same things that he was doing in Nyandarua, that he was forced to leave, he cannot bring them here. And Kisii cannot be a dumping site for rogue officers.
Nigo abawakili abo bamomochire omo OCSW county job onyapindi hase okubatanga gukora okurobekana ase kimba bwate obusibole bwabo na kubarutera ebireli maiso ose etiagas eyo ere maminchane lichiko
Dero nande ntwarora amandamano aito twari guchaka kurwe court twarwete notice esaine lakini twakwa etiagas njo manyene napi mwe etiagas yankuna twabwate bobe nonde igo twabegete bintu toko gechibibu choka enere esila yagara na kwa etiagas.
No matter how many days the police are going to riot, we are going to give this push to the end until Ayenda goes.
He actually notified us the law requires. We were not seeking permission from him. This will not stop us from going on. We will proceed, we will continue. We will fight for our rights. We will clean this county to be a best place for everyone.
Nigo boigo ba musabire umurai wense ya Kenya William Samoei Ruto wesonania iliyokwenekea Land Registrar uyu Oruro BC iliyo barabu konyora obokoreri obuya asechia BC echo aseweigo ba muchia abarai balia bagotema guturubania okurubekana kwabo.
Mmoja wetu ni wakili lakini yeye ni mjumbe wa South Mogrango, Silvanus Osero. Alitutishia katika grupu yetu ya WhatsApp kwamba wacha tuone chenye kitatokea. Yale yenye metokea, sisi tunamuhold Osero and the OCS Kisii responsible for what has befallen peaceful lawyers who are demonstrating in Kisii town. Na sisi tunataka kuuliza mtukufu Rais William Samoei Ruto, tunakupenda kama rais wetu wa Kenya. Toa huyu mtu kwa ofisi vile ulifanya huko Nyandarua. Mwezi utuletea wale watu ambao wameshindwa kufanya kazi, ndio mtuletea kwetu hapa.
Kulipotelea Egetaseni kia Ndizi TV iliyetaliane Mildred Momanyi.
Gukwana magega yokurobekana ukwo gokorekana nigo mu county commissioner we county ya Kisii Tom Wanjere abagakuru gochika wokorwa BC kwaye Ayenda na kugania abawakiri kwene kyabunanko babare abatoereru ekero bona baganire kwene kyabunango ikiranya bare emirimo yabo asenchira ebwenerete.
The objective of this meeting has been to ensure that we don't interrupt service delivery at the lands office. We are aware that there have been reforms that have been initiated at the office, and we wanted the same to be cascaded down the sub-counties so that wananchi are kept abreast and they're informed of what is expected of them. The reforms that have been initiated are meant to curb on fraud, forgery, and ensure that we maintain records at the lands office in a manner that we are not going to allow a recount of what has happened in the past. What I mean is that the experience we have is that land records have been tampered with. Those have been the findings there, and what we are putting in place through the land registrar is to safeguard those records. Of course, the operations that is being carried out is within Section 14 of the laws of Kenya, and we have agreed that there is need to involve other stakeholders, particularly in rolling down this.
Nekingambiro kia Nyamira inse yomunachebina Hilary Chemitai nigo yatuguteirare obochori ase wodi ya Nyansiongo nonya magega yekigambiro gyakeroka kurugo chikabunda obochori oboboko irorerwa magega yoko tuguterware omwaka ogoserita omwaka omuchakano bwo mwaka oyoga nigo obochori obwo abete bogutuguterware kobwatkana nekinekyo kyabetege kubekwa ase kigambiro gyakeroka no yokabeire omMCA bwense yo Jackson Mugusu uyo kwamereria obubui bwaye Dennis Kebasobu na MCA bwensemeyo murikeito job mangi norobatiuru
Maega ekigambiro gya keroka kurwa okunacha igoro ekinagyo kwamereria amachibu yobochori bo mwaka oyeta ase wodi ya Nyansiongo nigensemo etaisanegete nokunacha okuo berwete kwamereria okunacha okuo ase koti enene ya Nyamira.
My prayers have not been answered. We are not tired. We are not restricted. We shall pursue justice until we are satisfied.
Bosumu nachi ekina Hilary Chemitai nigo chinsemo chionsi ase kinekyo baikirana asogotegerero wekina ekyo.
Not to grant the first respondent the order to declare him the ultimate winner after the scrutiny. Invoking the above sexual issues sparingly, and the issues must be very clear and there must be no trace of any illegalities.
Ekine kunigo gegetigwe ase kigambere kyo noyo kabere omu MCA korwaso mwaka bwetiri bubere na 13 mpaka chiribu 2012 Jackson Mugusu asekeria atebete una ama mocho na lenge aroro chinga kichobo cholibu mwaka oeta.
Each of the parties pleaded ignorance and innocence, and IBC absorbed itself. In time of which that nobody took up liability on the said malpractice. To declare the person responding and not like disadvantage all the parties.
Omonachi ekino omosike Hilary Chemichai nigo arwa okonacha buna obochori oboke bwokorigia oyorabe omu MCA bwe wodi ya Nyansiongo gokorwa.
I agree with the trial court that the parties would have to go back to the electorate and seek a fresh mandate. It is also noted that some of the other three candidates may or may not have participated in the state malpractice, and the safest way to go about it is ordering a fresh election as directed by the trial court. On the issue of costs, I agree that the trial court is seized with the discretion. This court is aware of the considered opinion that taking the totality of the factors herein it will not be established with certainty cost operations in the proceeding from that scale. Neither the appellants nor the respondents led the court to the capable individual or officer. Therefore, we don't stand to budge one barrier of cost as the purpose of cost is retributive and in a sense to compensate the loser. In this case, and in the absence of any evidence of fully the direction, I think it will be fair to order the court to bear its own cost at the lower court and in this appeal.
Gengo reporter ya Ndizi TV kurase kigambiro kya Nyamira, Job Maangi.
Mbia mono murikeito Job Maangi aseoroboti orurikiranu korwase county ya Nyamiga. Tugotikana nayo nigo abarai au babeire bawe soke na goswa ase kiama kia United Democratic Alliance UDA awase egati ya ba MCA gosaba kabeira ba MCA korwase county ya Kisii babeire bawe soke na kwegerera kobwatikana no goswa kwabo ase kiama kia UDA bakora wa no MCA we oyo kabeira mo MCA we wodi ya Kiogoro Samuel Apoko na baigo yo kabeire omo MCA we wodi ya Muticho Evans Mukoro nigo babeire ba kwegerera arena asbaroka nde komo mochia omo MCA we wodi ya Kisii Central Wycliffe Monyenye anene ase oko baswana na murikeito Brighton Makori noroboti oru
kubatikana ne chingwana ao ejanyarjiwo kwanu ase county ya Kisii kubatikana no musangano gyo kore tubwikiama kya UDA asensemo ya musojo nigobono gati ya MCA bali abakorokoro ase county ya Kisii bakorawa no yokabero mu MCA we wodi ya Kiogoro Samuel Apoko
nondo bwate chitangutangu amanya gochakira rero weto yoro ime oitu anyora UDA osoitu aswanera twensina UDA members tuli neganga ye mukuta nori go rengenga echama ya UDA netagete members yabange tu asweto tukanyora abandi baro wonte kubwatira na barabo togende mashinani tari kurutia abantu babe members yabange chikura chigocha ruto tarindagira agatagete kurugusii egenda agatagete 2027 nechiku
Ibanisi Mokoro no yokabero mu MCA we wodi ya Mutijo oyibono nyarire kobori ane nabarai bali barasikia makia UDA
bono linde na takotea abana bali ba minto bari UDA bali bayigete ko chokero kende rwase party ya UDA na ndi babu atakero kende shiro limbali ase UDA dote ko batainga tigaba babororo
ni gobono amendrimna
tutakitinye chame ya ito ya UDA nto basa kugira bande nto basa kublock bande tigatuwa nchere bali barure magana baru bakoreki basoe kimole motu na ntuko basika kurwaralia kurumagega na bese gi yakabeire bali abaruanie bakobera motu abande bakoboja magana kurumaga bakoreki bakobaere
oigo ni gamendrimna korengana ni kiame kyo kya UDA koiremeri asorogongoro Gusii
Kisii county ne chebe nkongu tobwaterane shairi igora Osero anjira abantu bonse bakoreki basoime
ntu abatu atenenera nabagambe bagambete onde tayo wade problem no mugaba no koreteki oro tomo sigete no mugaba no choretwe nero mugaba no ito kurubono baketamu ya ere nanyasa kana makonyonyo komende tamu endamentwe nyaga kurusi gwa korenga arusi
ase chingwana chabo ni gabona bamamachiri omu MCA we wodi ya Kisii Central Wycliffe Monyenye asiba machiri chingwana nyaraka ukwana asiba tabuna ni gabarugete bali batariko bali batamaite kibakora karba goswase kiama kia UDA
debia abantu ng'abantu barengaria ng'abarenga chirichect monyenye nero bali chekitiri nene ekero twarenga nere 2013 bari twaso 2013 twarenga na monyenye eka 2017 akarusu erekera arenge sikone richekiti arenge ndegendo kiamo baetia abachumbe bande kibachete chaina ngiatachere chai ngia okora montatar komura bakungu bai montatar komura biashara biaye tare kobera tare kona chai nera ara chai ne bintu na bira
abantu ba Kisii Central ndete motegera mang'anayo itukondi yo none erimo manyanya chete a committee ya health in state niga delegated duties gochia se efisi yayo golunga chochi bibao ase ngenjo yaki taliko igugeso gesongo eriete ria ukona chiricha kityo tai manyanya arike tamanye tikulika neke Gusii yako koraki akulika
sensemo yaye omwe musio yo manyanye
abaishimiwa aba bachi guikaransa kugamba iguru yane uyu no muntu boboete one kero tu alengi na barumba manyite ekero na rueto 2013 to 2017 na lengo murai na baragwo mbaro jingo zumunana mu cyumbo ndo Gusii nganere nguru magega lakini baragwo bakona guzumuna bajumbe ngana ubaraji ko baragereria abana
aya na haro manyanyanyarire igakomenta
onyenye no muntu otabwadiri basikia no muntu mumayete obwate kerege onye neji basa nimbwate onye no mutenenko nindo mutenenko ono aboko ntobiza naye kweli muno mwana omukora odanga malemo na ibete town ya wote tigache mo obolemo ambale munimbwate abo mu murono yomo mwatero obolemo amanyenga monyenye nabwata malemo
asengana iyo komachugo bunengi atajirita sense ya China
ono abaishimiwa abamwabu wetu inke moko na kuzungana nera bachumbe munga ninwe moko na kutana bachumbe nje nabasomeire ngango badebiga indigane pi simba nere gabana paka 2032 mwe ngaina moko tenga mulebu nganero ko bamono ingasimba nera anjete banya simbo ndigete igaige town mulenderete inagenda China naende ninche bono ngenderete gasi munante betinga monyenye berabu inkina ngoji okororo inkarenga na atarire
Reporter getaseni Candice TV hederiane Brighton Makori
Miamono murikeito Brighton Makori ase oroboti ururikiranu abantu nigo bagendrete konyorobo semia igoro yogo nchuriria kwerire alenekero ugo nchuriria kwerire kwarokanire koirera emechando au ase orogongo rwa Gusii litkolia rero murubire nigo korekana se amagacha etisime mucho bosongo awasabo bisakuru ase serikali ye county ya Kisii anena se wizari ryetenderete binto bietana ni mwanya banto bakora wanu muwaziri baba wekirana asense meyo na kurobo semia wochi ase abatene Neli korwase chiwodi chonsi imeye county ya Kisii nigo baigo baine kiabu na nigo abatineri au barachi konyora maigerio yogo konya aso korobo semya gochase abana inchi bande kubwatikana no gonchurira kwerire murikeito dipo nasanya na ikira nasayo
Chinga kibono ogochincha kwerire kwarorekanire ime ya Gusii inse yoborai bo mugavana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati wizara y'ebintu bitoetanaine ekurawa no muwaziri Ronald Nyakweba nigegenderete kurwa maigerio no bosemia sabanto igoro yogochincha kwerire
kubarangiria aba those selected people to ba marube to ba declare officially appointed as the officers or the committee members of climate change.
Lero tuwachakire safari yogo konya lire rieto ndigendera gochenchi ikiari ya chenchi mpaka bono ya chakire koreta amadara mange ase environment nonye noborebe
Ditukulia lero nigo bomerana negati ya babwatani kurwa chiwodi 45 imeye county ya Kisii asesemo ya ATC elioko bamanya obuya bwokorenda ebintu bitoetanaine
tuchaka gukora community mobilization to create awareness among our people so that we are able to mitigate on this climate change related risks.
The committee members kutoka kila wards zile ziko hapa Kisii 45 wards committee ambazo zitaweza kuangazia mambo ya climate change pale kwenye wards ambazo tuko nazo.
Ekere ward yebwate ebinte bingao korengana naki lire change na nakiri aba affected yokere ward ngocho gochene proposal yabo erotebinye ketwa gukora
boigo nigo bakuriro bosimeki bwemete yemilingamu ireire okamuka wechindoche ase ensemo ya Gusii ase barwo gosemia bwo simeke mete ekoegerera obomenyo bwa mwanya bantu
Bantu beta Gusii ntoma yetenga bazine kire miringamu asobonge ntoma yete mechane miringamu yaretire anyuru amajeri kuru chino chijeto kole tengo chagere kore chiniro chere cha okamuka chiburu amache
emete twasari eliege koro stokoro ka indigenous trees tuachakire kobeke emete mengi yegesongo ekaro exotic trees mono emiringamu yasariri biroba lyeito nechindoche cheito
chinga kiechechio mbachie konyora maegerio eliogosemia abantu ase binyoro bamanya obuya bwokorenda na gusiria enchara ime ya Gusii anene ekaunti ya Kisii
Gusii etokubasaba iga ntogendere kuba obumanyi na kimite yakoreki yasarire environment korwabwe ekaunti yagurire mete anene gende kusumeka indi chinasari egere to abantu baito wanyara kunyetumia na nabo bakonya omoto ya mocho kusumikwa ne bambu ebambu gen ebwate to kuna commercial value very good kubana one miringamu etoko kwana
wonchiri kwerire chakre gutwara very adverse effects as a county ya Kisii Gusii yakabere gakare embure yagatule drought ntwaro mwako yo eta ntwaro leke ngase kana Gusii gaiga twache tomanyire nga onye ntugo chaka ku address amangana ya akoleta negative effects on the climate igo ngo chaka to chakuru amaje Gusii gaiga abantu baburu chindagera baja kukwenchara. That is why to come in very strongly in county ya Kisii to chaka ku address amangana yo the negative effects cha gire go toka se chi samuche cha Gusii gaiga.
Kuripoteria egetaseni kia Ndizi TV korwa ATC egotoka Amayia County ya Kisii elietaria Nendipon Asanya
Muyamano morikeito Dipon Asanya se orobotioro amorokererio yoburemi gose agricultural show ni gacha kabene ritkolia lero ase egeti kia Gusii Stadium bebakago chakiwa nomo county commissioner we county ya Kisii Tom Wanjere chinga kibona bori abantu korwa se county ya Kisii wesokia irio kwegokia nabo igo kwenyorera obosemia igoro yoburemi aneno se botumekibwe chinchera chekerero morikeito Mildred Momanyi no robotioro
Amaegerio yoburemi gose agricultural show nigo achakabene ritkolia lero Amayia County ya Kisii asensemo ye stadium una enchere ya moyo gosemia abantu chinchera chekerero kurwa oburemi gatie sector chinde chinyinge omoyego yonigo ochakiwa no mo county commissioner bwe county ya Kisii Tom Wanjere amono mwaziri woburemi bwe county ya Kisii asebaligania abantu bonsi eliogocha gosanga na gwesomia amange ase esho ground.
Baada ya miaka mitatu tumefungua ASK Kisii Show. Tunafuraha sana na tunawakaribisha wote walio karibu na mbali. Muje hapa mjitumbuishe, mfurahie, muone jinsi tunavyoendelea na kazi zetu za agriculture hapa kwetu Kisii.
La muhimu ni kuhimiza wakazi wa Kisii wajitokeze kwa wingi na hata nje ya Kisii kuja kuona exhibitions, maandalizi yaliyoko hapa, aswa tukizingatia madhumuni ya show ya mwaka huu, masuala ya climate smart agriculture trade, na ndio mambo tunataka kuhimiza. Masuala ya micro small enterprises, tunataka kuhimiza wananchi wachukue nafasi hii ili kuona kwamba tunaimarisha mambo ya kilimo na pia uzalishaji. Mambo ya value chain ni mambo ambayo yamezingatiwa hapa, na hii ni masomo muhimu sana.
Mwaka huu tumebarikiwa kupata exhibitors 120, baadhi yao wakiwa katika kitengo cha wakulima, livestock, that is ufugaji, uwekezaji wa hazina, that is banking institutions, na vile vile katika upande wa matumbuizaji tuna mabandi zetu wa Kenya Police, Kenya Forest, GSU, wote wakiwa hapa kwa sababu ya kututumbuiza. Tumekuwa na wageni kuanzia jana, siku ya leo, kesho na kesho kutwa.
Nigo agania abantu kubwatesia serikali asensemo ya magenderero ase boigo akira sekta yoburemi mbuya ase uwetoma asensemo yoburemi gati yabo sekta yechae.
Wananchi na wakazi wa Kisii na viongozi wateule waunge mkono juhudi za serikali kuu katika ile mpango ya kuhakikisha kwamba affordable housing inatekelezwa katika kaunti hii yote ili tupate nafasi ya kufanya masuala ya kilimo. Tumepongeza juhudi za factory ambazo zinahusika na mambo ya majani chai, ukulima mdogo mdogo wa nyuki, ukulima wa samaki, na hii ni mipango ambayo tunataka tufanye sensitization kwa wananchi, ukulima wa ndizi, tuzungumzie wananchi ili waimarishe kilimo katika hali ya kuimarisha hali ya maisha katika sehemu hii.
Ase chinga kiecho nigo omotinelibwe factory korwa factory ya Ogembo akwanera gatie chinchera chiria babekire elio koenekya oburimi bwe chaengo imokabole iguru.
Then we've done a lot even during at the factory level where we have diversified our production not only in CTC but to other docks. Why it's very important is we're able to reduce the pressure in the CTC market because of the demand and supply curve or forces, so that we are able to have another alternative which is even selling much better at about an average of $5 as opposed to the CTC at 2.5.
Kuripotelea egetaseni kia Ndizi TV ilitaliane Mildred Momanyi.
Miamono Mildred Momanya se oroboti ururu ikiranu magega yensemire kwa merere serikali ya Azimio la Umoja One Kenya koraria ukurubekana abori tukoria ankyo ase chinsemo aimense ya Kenya elio kwa mereria emeroberio gose machiko ye serikali anene owetu wa finance bill nigobono omunyakerogo wekiama kya ODM asoro sayarwa Kisii ondieki kerosi abeirega wesokya na gukwanera enganeyega asikiri aberega kwenekia buna robekana uko ni gukora chikokorekana ase county ya Kisii abori tkoria ankyo nigo nonyana bo aberega kubole babwatani korwase kyama kya ODM nabo igo egati abamenyi korwase county ya Kisii wesokya na gukora okurobekana uko anene korera ogose korera okomenta kwa magori y'ebinto imense ya Kenya irokone kyabuna serikali yaberege koigwa ekerero kyabo.
Nje asamarita ngorokero sio ndieki advocate nje chairman ya ODM na Azimio Kisii County. Igonta tukonyolia abantu bamitonga mambi na maandamano. Igo mambi igo togo ansera ku daraja moja tokoro daraja mbili. Atogo ansa bane koruwe abantu daraja moja abantu ase koru itumbe kera ase tumbe na nega iga ase around about ya capital. Iga na otoja kwa address ya abantu. Komora anje kera mogocha moja more peaceful. Moja ntoibwat noneli na mosungoli kera yospi. Abasigari nyaba autorite kwende tiagasi otoko nyabo tuwe ko mugo twagenda. We are going to be very peaceful. We are not going to have any problem with the police. Komara jama bizo to mirana mambi na otorega iga mambi ko asara kisanyega to kora maandamano paka maragoma.
Nje Marieta ngoro kwa former councillor Jackson Moinde Ontegi ngotanga sara ndo itumete maisha imekuwa ngumu. Kama maisha imekuwa ngumu, baka na inwe moche mwe kina ki maisha imekuwa ngumu. Maambie tore tayari.
So maambi ntobwata maandamano yobwororo enjerende twirane ni Raila Amolo Odinga mbiyamono osoko to rusto cha maandamano kiara na to sikete na mune president yetu.
Ntoreredi lakini ntore kora maandamano fujo, atokora maandamano yo morembe. Tuno toreredi to nyonera na pauti ya mapema.
Na sensemo ya murikyo manene ase obokoreri bwech county ase county ya Kisii Recho Tundo nigo aganirie ababwatani abuba Azimio la Umoja One Kenya gotire nimero berionsi yogokora ukorobekana na koba abatoere ruchinga kibaganyete ogochika korwase kigambero kobwatikana no wetiwa kweri chikorie chibesa gose finance bill.
Igonde tukotanga maandamano takogera bumbobe raisi ongote abantu baitu libagatoko na maandamano tufanye kazi. Tufanye bidii ili tusiendeleshe nyene chando tubwate menge na wemba libale serikali they not after punishing their own people mbamanye tenga ngayi problem were and they are solving a problem usually kero bwate mechando oikoetere mechandende umayotukanara oburabu busio igo abantu baminto komuranje nto basikwanda togende maandamano cha kolende seki Kenya turukanie se ito is very peaceful because the moment we are doing it liba toko konya as liba toko konya eto tukogera bugmo bobo konsaidi ane bobo bosinyimra bokomenya tudatura serikali yeroro libaga ira kolega asibakole what they can be able to do Odinga akoira bata maandamano yet a finance bill bado kotiere and the court will decide on what is supposed to be done. Tuwezi toko tebanga etoko utoleretri chiko law-abiding citizens. If they are law-abiding citizens, try wingi koti yote try kuise biashara biko anagochia. Lakini so wenge abantu bami ntokomora nche itukolia mambia kila mtu akala shughuli yae makole biashara bino kila mtu ajitafutie ikiagana na togana maandamano. At the end of the day gadugira muragoba ndagira tyo kutoka sana.
Abateneneri batano be kampani ya mabera sensemo ya Limuru nigo babere bakubekwa byara kubwatikana nuko nakige gotebekana na nuko baunereria abakori emirimo babo anene abasibati ase uko barusia chianga magegaye gatamba kyobo chenu getumegete konyorekana ase isko ya bisyeyo amange tigatewona twarganire na Vincent Onyancha.
Abateneneri batatu kurose factory ya mabere ya Brown Cheese igiye gotoka nsemu ya Limuru county ya Kiambu ni go babekuru byara n'abanyanyimbo kubwatekana nege karigyo kwa rushia ngabo kuri mirimo abasubati.
Ndizi na OCS waliweza kuenda kwa hiyo kampuni na tukashika wa mama watatu ambao ni management. Tuko nao kwa sale, statement ziliandikwa na wanaenda kotini.
Nige gotebekana buno ko ruchianga ni gwasegete twe maega yo gotoka kwegetamba kyobo cheno gosepada eyo etumegeta sensemeyo getugutire isiko ye company yo asabaganti komanya ningo orutegetambe kyororo getumegete
hawa wa hii kampuni ya Brown Cheese wachukuliwe hatua na hatua kali ambayo itakuwa lesson kwa watu wale wengine. Hata ikiwezekana walipe hawa mama fidia ya kuwafanyia madharau, kwa sababu huwezi fanyia mtu kitendo kama hicho. Ati aende afungiwe kwa room, aangaliwe kama ako katika wakati wake wa hedhi, ndio uweze kutambua kama ni yeye alikuwa ametupa hiyo sanitizer.
Engana ya mochiwe mono anene obotenebwe company yukoro gwe byara asoko abetereria na kubaruchia ngabo karemeremo abasubati. Ayani gakone kiwono mukomanda w'abanyanyimbo korwa segetsene giatigoni Filbo Mwalia.
Jana tulipata report kutoka kwa mama wanafanya wa kampuni inaitwa Brown Cheese kwamba wakitoka kazi walilazimishwa kutoa nguo waangaliwe kama wako na hedhi, ambayo ni kitendo ilikuwa mbaya na ya unyama sana.
Chinga kicho ni gogoteneni yobanebwe company yubwe sokire nagote babunani gobagenrete no butukigoro yengane yo asebalireira yogo chikobwatana na nensemo y'abanyanyimbo asogotuka engane yo.
This matter has only recently come to the attention of the senior management of the company. The company is fully cooperating with the police, and the company will be conducting a full internal investigation.
Okonrego kwa basubati na kurusi uchianga tarigento kagani emyaka 5 ya etire ni gabasubati bakoroto korobekano gotinde ga Kenya anasensemo ya Nairobi asekeli bari kurusi uchianga anena senchera barenga kwa hoya chinga kicyamanya kantebuna my dress my choice. Reporter ya Ndizi TV retirana nchonko kwa Vincent Onyancha.
Miyamono murikeito Vincent Onyancha ase oroboti ururikira nugotkana nayo nigo ekiombe getenenerete abantu bare no borema ase bungerene kyabereke wesokia na kogikeria embassy ya Denmark asok bari namabaga abagosoria betimu ya Def Handball awocha kogosoria asensemeyo anene ase okobari na chivisa nabana nigo baganirie embassy yo kwena na chivisa na kubagania goteko unereria abantu batariko ibose abantu bonsi bare no borema.
And these being vulnerable members of our society, if there is anything, they need to be given a special preference by the government of Denmark. And they need to be given first priority. As the government of Denmark saying that these people are going to pay 600,000, look at the people that they are saying, if they are banned from participating on this sport, they are going to be penalized 600,000. Surely, the government of Denmark, can you allow people with special needs to be charged that money for failure to participate? And you haven't given us the reasons why these people are not being granted the diplomatic expedition for them to participate in the event.
We take this to be a violation of rights enshrined in both international law and our constitution. We demand that as an interdependency of nations, we must respect protocols in relation to diplomatic issues. They don't go there for tourism. They went there to practice on a program within a certain given period. They don't go there for leisure. They don't go there to apply for a job, but they went there to participate on a social interaction active, an international fora. We condemn the action. We are not trying to appeal. We are just stating it. It is a violation of rights. And when it is a violation, it is a violation for one or two or everywhere.
Tukutikana nayo nigo omurai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto agendrete netaro ya matukata to ase ensemo ya Comoros na boigo Republic of Congo okwana ritkoria lero chingekekirana aso muyega bwe merongo ene na Isato bwo chengera obosibore bwobomo bwa Comoros nigo Ruto abaga koene kiabuna nigo bari tayare ase okobwatrana nensemeyo eriyo goikirania amagendero niga abaga koene kia na nigo barachie gose na yechivisa nigera chikorusiwa asokorobya obosombi gose okorwa kwa bantu korwa se ense ya Comoros gocha Kenya na nene kwene kiabuna aborokiwa mbache gosirwa nene balibare imeyense ya Kenya asokwegenderera bya ase chisemi cyabo.
Kwa heshima ya ndugu yangu rais wenu, serikali ya Kenya itawapatia scholarships 100 kwa watoto wa kutoka hapa Komoro. Na vile vile kwa sababu ya undugu na urafiki na watu wa Komoro, vijana wenu wanafunzi wote wanaosomea Kenya sasa watalipishwa kama vile wao ni wa Kenya na sio wageni tena. Kwa hivyo ndugu zetu wa Komoro mnakaribishwa Kenya. Na nimesema ya kwamba kuanzia mwisho wa mwaka huu hamutahitaji tena visa kuja Kenya, na mnaweza kuwatembelea ndugu zenu, kuja kufanya biashara, watoto wenu wakuja.
Omukonyi bwo murai wense Rigathi Gachagua seritko rya kabiri nigabaga kumirana n'abarimi bekemeriye cyae imeye county ya Kericho asagendrete kwene kiabuna serikali negendrete kubekemero berio yogosira abarimi bekemeriye cyae na monota na amaunchorero na chikokorekana ase ekemeriye kyo eriyo gokonya kero muremi abega kwenyorera engere yaye.
On behalf of my boss President William Ruto, that the reforms we are going to agree on, our two houses of parliament where we have the majority, the Senate and the National Assembly, will make the various amendments into law. Thereafter, the President and I and the ministers responsible will ensure 100% compliance with the law. This is part of our bottom-up economic transformation agenda. And we are very serious about it. It cannot be that I'm here in Kericho for 3 days just to hang around. Na hii baridi ya Kericho, siwezi kuja hapa na hii baridi. Sisi tumekuja hapa kazi. Na hii kazi, you know, many people when we were doing coffee, those cartels thought that ni ile mchezo wamezoea. Ati watu wanaongea alafu wanatutafuta milioni 10, milioni 20, alafu hiyo maneno nasahaulika. I want to tell the people who are here, in all the sectors, KTDA, T-Board, nani.
Omowaziri w'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogu nigo aenekire bune serikali nechie koimokia egetambukiro kyobotumeki bw'echinchera chekerero anene ase emirobero yonsi anene asoko enekia buna omurobero bw'ekisemi obeire kogoikiraniwa imeyense ya Kenya yani ngaya kwana chinga kekirana ase omoyega bwogochakiwa bene kw'omurobero bw'obokoreri ase kiombe gyokubarika abari mu Teacher Service Commission gose TSC Strategic Plan 2023-2027 oyokorekana ase eskuru ya maigerio ye serikali ase agania okobwatirana kwa barimu bonsi gose abo bisakorwa ase kiombekyo erio kwenekia buna omurobero w'ekisemi obeire gogoikerwa bya imense ya Kenya.
We are in a time that a rapidly evolving technological landscape, automation, which we really appreciate because we have said the entire government we have to automate, we have to digitize. I'm happy that they mentioned about remote running. We ran from COVID-19 when our children stayed home for quite a long time. That yes, we have to digitize, we have to take advantage of technology. I was informed, sir, that in Finland, because of technology, the young people now go to school for 3 hours. They have some kind of hybrid kind of system. With the teacher shortage that you have said is a moving target, that we, yes, government is trying to alleviate, to mitigate on this particular problem, but you can see the Kenya Kwanza government, I think, has embroidered more than any other regime. Simakovi kwa Kenya Kwanza jameni.
Kokwana chinga kiechwa nigo omosiyo bwekyombekyo gya TSC Nancy Macharia abagako bwatoka oroboti kobwatkana buna babere bakubarika abarimu ase chiskuru au anena soko enekia buna ogoikiraniwa ko murobero OCBC kwabere gokorekana ase chiskuru chonsi nigo boigo abagako enekia buna ekyombekyo kyabeire kego chakya obutubeki bw'echinchera chekerero oyobeire kogokonya mono ase obokoreri adene ase okugacha chiroboti egatia yandamanke.
The teacher internship policy guidelines that has seen the commission engage so far 54,300 teacher interns in a period of 5 years. We did retool 229,000 primary and primary school teachers and 55,125 secondary school teachers on the competence-based curriculum. The total number of teachers retooled for implementation of CBC as we stand here represents 82% of the total number of teachers employed by the Commission, and Your Excellency, the remaining may be due to those that we are continually engaging. We have also automated the TSC processes, including digitizing of employee records using the electronic document management system, and therefore, sir, we no longer have cases of missing files at the TSC because everything we do is online, and even when we advertise and everything, it's digital. Our teacher registration process, for example, is fully automated and available in the e-citizen platform, in line with the presidential directive that all government services be available on the platform Gava kwa Mkono. You should give TSC a clap.
Abarundia bechigari chionsi chobosombi bwa matatu na chirichiko imokia emesigo emerito bono nigo barache kunenkiwa ase entunda yende chingaki chokonyora chi license chabo boya nabo gokorerwa oborinkoria bwobochenu bwemebere yabo ayankorengana nabateneri korwa se kyombekeri tenerete obosera nabo gobosombi bwechpara NTSA abo batebire buna ekerenga no koenekia bunango kyania bare obo goseme baskane yaberege ase chipara au.
Also need to check your medical fitness. So very soon, in fact, you are putting structures in place to roll out medical assessment of drivers to assess their fitness to drive, because you may realize that over time your body function degenerates, if I may use the word. Or rather, yes. So in that case, then your driving capacity and capability goes down. So you are required to have those tests, whether it's eye test, hearing test, amongst others, which the experts are going to do. The fatality so far, up to 5th July, stands at 2,318, with pedestrians being 824, passengers in vehicles being 205, drivers being 425, pillion passengers 213, and 605 being motorcyclists, the riders that is. And we always say, and this is where I'll say it for, I think numbers, yes, but I think we...
What about Toru Manchumuli na Rotoreta Omoerio Amayia Chinsa asenchera ereyo wikirane kirango wakirangambia mono aso gochora kubanenche nambia mono aso okubwatia imirobero yonsi ya Ndizi TV abaritu abwatirana kweneki ya chiroboti cha wikire na barabuni gonku bakirangambia mono nyorobna semirobero yonsi na bakogendera gotonyora asense moya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asense moya YouTube Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter na bagotwitwetera @Ndizi TV News erio togendere usanga na boigo kwe manyia amankiri tariane Everline Osero ekerotu abwatirana nere Joshua Auta kwenekya wikire asensemo yebimanyiriro nere Petronira Mukeira oyonekya buna chibichaneriogi cha wikire asenchira yabene twaro buligereriboro bya nabo igobo tukoboro botohereru wikaritwe angio.